Pico Art.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Pico Art channel. Today, I'm drawing some important medical tools that doctors and nurses use to help people feel better. Let's start drawing. First, I'm drawing a medical bag. Doctors carry their important tools inside it. Now, let's draw a Band-Aid. It helps cover small cuts and keeps them clean. Next is the stethoscope, a special tool that doctors use to listen to our heartbeat. Let's add some capsule pills. Some are red and white, and others are blue and yellow. Now, I'm drawing an IV drip, serum. This helps people get fluids when they are sick. The thermometer. It checks if someone has a fever. Finally, let's draw a syringe. Nurses use it to give medicine when needed. Now it's time to color. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Pink. Gray. Orange. Blue. Yellow. Red. Cream.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the
Purple.
goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Orange.
All around the mulberry
Pink.
the monkey chased the weasel.
Red.
The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Green. Yellow. Gray. Pink. Blue. Orange. Purple.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel.
Pink.
The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Awesome! Like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.